Welcome to Alfra English channel. Listen to the question and sample answer, then try to answer the same question on your own. In general, do you prefer eating out or eating at home?
I like to eat at home. Homemade food has better food value and offers a wide range of choices. It is more hygienic and less expensive. However, we like to eat at a restaurant whenever we have special occasions to celebrate. As dining out in a restaurant offers my mom plenty of time to socialize rather than getting stuck in the kitchen, my father and I often insist her to go to an eatery on occasions like wedding anniversaries and birthdays.
You can share your answers in the comment below. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share this video.